is the SUV that millions of people think they already understand, until they actually drive it. The Toyota RAV4 isn't just another compact SUV. It's the reason this segment exploded in the first place. And today, it's quietly dominating roads across America in a way most vehicles only dream of. But here's the thing. If you think you already know everything about the RAV4, you might be missing the details that actually matter. So make sure you don't skip ahead or miss what's coming next, because one small detail could completely change your opinion about this SUV. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you notice about the Toyota RAV4 is how confident it looks without trying too hard. It's not overly flashy. It's not trying to be something it's not. But it still manages to feel bold and modern. The front grille has that aggressive, squared-off design that gives it a tough, almost truck-like presence, while the sharp LED headlights make it feel premium and futuristic at the same time. This is the kind of design that ages well, not something that looks outdated after 2 years. Step to the side, and you'll notice the strong body lines and slightly elevated stance. It gives the RAV4 a rugged character, almost like it's ready for an off-road trail even, if most owners will use it for daily commuting. And that's the beauty of it. It blends practicality with personality. The wheel options, especially on higher trims, add a sporty touch, and depending on the trim you choose, you can get a much more aggressive look or a clean, urban style. Now, move to the rear, and you'll see a design that feels clean and functional. The taillights are sharp, the tailgate is wide and easy to access, and everything just feels well thought out. There's no unnecessary design clutter here. It's simple, effective, and built for real-world use. Open the door, and the interior tells a completely different story compared to older generations. This is where Toyota stepped up in a big way. The cabin feels solid, modern, and surprisingly refined for its price range. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with physical buttons where you actually need them, something a lot of brands are removing. And honestly, that's a mistake. The materials are a mix of soft touch surfaces and durable plastics, but nothing feels cheap. Everything feels built to last, which is exactly what people expect from Toyota. The seats are comfortable, supportive, and perfect for long drives, whether you're commuting to work or going on a road trip across states. The RAV4 is designed to keep you comfortable without fatigue. Now, let's talk about the tech, because this is where things get interesting. The infotainment system is simple to use, which is actually a big advantage. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the screen is responsive enough to keep up with everyday use. It's not trying to be overly complicated. It just works, and that's exactly what most drivers want. The digital instrument cluster and available features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system make the cabin feel modern. Without overwhelming the driver, everything is placed in a way that feels natural. And you don't have to dig through menus just to change basic settings. But what really matters in an SUV like this is space. And this is where the RAV4 absolutely delivers. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. It's comfortable enough for adults, not just kids. And when it comes to cargo space, this SUV is one of the best in its class. You can easily fit luggage, groceries, sports gear, or even larger items with the rear seats folded down. Now let's get into performance, because this is where people often have mixed expectations. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers a balance between power and efficiency. It's not a sports car, and it's not trying to be, but it gives you enough acceleration for daily driving, highway merging, and passing without feeling underpowered. The transmission is smooth, and the overall driving experience is stable and predictable. That's something Toyota focuses on heavily: consistency. You always know how the car will respond, and that builds confidence over time. But if you really want to understand why the RAV4 is so popular in the US, you have to talk about the hybrid version. This is where things change completely. The RAV4 Hybrid offers better fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and a quieter driving experience. It feels more refined, more responsive, and honestly, it's the version most people should consider. And then there's the RAV4 Prime, which takes things even further with plug-in hybrid technology. This version delivers serious power and electric-only driving capability, making it one of the most advanced options in this segment. Now let's talk about fuel economy, because this is one of the biggest reasons people choose this SUV. The standard gas model already offers solid MPG, but the hybrid takes it to another level. For American drivers dealing with rising fuel costs, this is a major advantage. You're saving money every single day without sacrificing practicality. Safety is another area where the RAV4 stands out. Toyota includes a full suite of advanced safety features as standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. These features are not just add-ons, they're part of the core experience. And in real-world driving, these systems actually make a difference. Whether you're on a long highway drive or navigating city traffic, they add an extra layer of confidence and protection. Now let's be honest, no car is perfect. The RAV4 does have a few drawbacks. The engine can feel a bit noisy under hard acceleration, especially in the gas version. The infotainment system, while easy to use, isn't the most advanced compared to some competitors. And if you're looking for a super luxurious interior, you might find it slightly basic in lower trims. But here's the key point. None of these issues are deal breakers for the target audience. The RAV4 isn't trying to be the most luxurious or the fastest SUV. It's designed to be reliable, efficient, practical, and easy to live with every single day, and that's exactly why it continues to dominate the US market year after year, even with so many new competitors trying to take its place. It's a vehicle you can depend on not just for a few years, but for the long haul, something that truly matters when you're making a serious investment like a car. You're not constantly worried about unexpected repairs, expensive maintenance, or reliability issues. It's built with that long-term ownership mindset, and that peace of mind is something you can't easily put a price on. On top of that, it holds its value incredibly well compared to most vehicles in its class, which is something a lot of buyers don't fully realize at the beginning. When it's time to sell or trade in, that strong resale value can make a huge difference, saving you thousands of dollars over time. So when you step back and really look at the full picture, the Toyota RAV4 isn't just a good SUV.